Holomatrix Media.
Access code accepted. Permission to enter granted. Activation code accepted. The Holomatrix Center access portal is sealed and secured. The Holomatrix startup sequence is standing by. What is the requested scenario?
Parrot. Written and narrated by Darqun Sturminyt.
Searching. The requested selection is available. Initializing the episode configuration. Please stand by. Warning. 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 This is an emergency alpha situation. Initialization of the system's safety parameters failed. Cannot implement the program abort sequence. The protection and continuation of your physical biological functions cannot be guaranteed. Please proceed with extreme caution.
Once upon a baseball game, while I pondered sad of same, over many quaint and curious history of forgotten lore, while I cheered, clearly clapping, suddenly there came a batting, as if someone tapping at the home plate core. "'Tis the season," I muttered, tapping at the home plate core. Not this one, and nothing more. Ah, distinctly I remember, it was April through October, and each separate dying inning wrought its end upon the green floor. Eagerly I wished for the morrow, vainly I had sought to borrow from the past team talent, felt sorrow, sorrow for the lost of four, for the tragic team turmoil, whom lost the games of four, winless here, forevermore. Open here I sank and shuddered, and with many saw the team stuttered. In there stepped a mangy pet of sailing days of yore. Not a soundless syllable made he, not a second stopped or stayed he, but with a cap of yellow pea perched upon the dugout door, perched upon the flag of Roger, just above the dugout door, perched and sat, and nothing more. Then this evergreen bird tempted my sad demeanor into smiling, by the gold and black decorum of the uniform it wore. "Though your crest be shown shining," I said, "the team is not craving." Dismal dancing disturbed parrot, wandering after pierogi sore. Tell me when the winning year, when the pirate's public soar. Squawked the parrot, nevermore.